I'm going to introduce you to our contestants. We're going to start on this end of the table. What's your name?
Bailey Robert Chandler of Poca, west by Lucifer in God, Virginia.
Let's hear it for Bailey. All right, in the middle, who do we have here?
Jennings Starcher, originally from Ravenswood, now in Dunbar.
Let's give it up for Jennings Starcher. Hey, if you folks back there want to come a little closer, you can. If you want to make your way down closer to the stage here for the pepperoni roll eating contest, get some big pictures, you can do that. Don't come past the white line, please. All right, and our third contestant. I don't know. He's pretty tall here. Tell everybody who you are, sir.
I am Kenny Matthews. I reside in Hurricane, and I'm representing Maranatha Fellowship Church.
All right, so what these guys are going to do, you got the 2 minutes, all right? So what these guys are going to do, they have 5 Barney's Bakery pepperoni rolls in front of them. Barney's Bakery, the official pepperoni roll of WVU Athletics. We're going to give them 2 minutes, and they have to eat as many pepperoni rolls as they can. Gentlemen, are you ready?
Yes.
Ladies and gentlemen, are you ready? Okay, so before we do this, we haven't heard it for a while, so before we do this, we've got to go. Let's go! Let's go! All right, here we go. They've got 2 minutes. When I say go, guys, have at it. And on your marks. Get set, go! This is going to be, Kenny looks like this, going pretty well. Number 2 look like this, second maybe just a little bit. We have Bailey going all right, Kenny's almost through his first. Kenny's almost through his first. Who do you think it's going to be? Who's cheering for Kenny? Who's cheering for Bailey? Kenny's going through his first pepperoni roll. Pepperoni roll with WVU Athletics. Now Kenny starts on his second. Here we go. Let's hear it. Keep it going. Keep it going for my guys here. Keep it going for my guys. We still got the other 2 on there first. Now we got Paul's second.
1 minute.
We got 1 minute to go. Come on. Let's cheer them on. Let's cheer them on. Kenny's halfway through his second. Bailey's picking it apart. Who's going to make it? Who's going to do it? Come on, let's see it. Come on, they need your help. Make some more noise. Let's keep it going. Kenny is through his second. Just through his second. Kenny is tearing it up. Thomas, he's got one. 4-0. Bailey still struggling in his first. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I do believe we have a winner, a clear and decisive winner. Everybody give it up to the pepperoni roll eating champion. On Mitch's Magna Main Street 2025, he came, he saw, he conquered. Kenny Matthews! Everybody give it up. Let's hear it for our other 2 contestants. Ending up with the big game. All right, thank you guys. We will be back with more of the WVU Marching Band. We've got a special performance by the St. Albans School of Dance coming very soon. Right here, the Mountain Remains Street. Get those Miller Cups at the Tap. Get them at Cozumel. Get them at Suckers. Get them at the Cold River Coffee and Drummies. Get them refilled at those places as well as the cafe. And make sure that you've got your raffle tickets, and make sure that you've visited the silent auction in the Albans.
That was